Coming soon to theaters. Coming only to theaters February 2005. There's something mysterious in the 100-Acre Wood. Something strange. Something different.
It came at me in the dark.
It was really neat sound.
It was terrible.
What's this all about?
Killed me to the bone.
Yeah, I was asleep.
One at a time! Thank you. Now, what is going on?
Me, pick me. Me.
Tigger?
There I was, sleeping, dreaming tiggerish dreams, and suddenly everything starts a-shaking, and then it stops.
There's only one thing it could be. A heffalump.
Walt Disney Pictures presents an all-new animated adventure.
Heffalump.
Heffalump.
Heffalump, heffalump. I'm heffalump.
Who's Heffalump movie?
That's what I am, right? Heffalump.
Coming soon to own on video and DVD.
Enter the magical world of Winnie the Pooh, where storybook wishes really do come true.
What a fantastical idea!
Come along for the adventure,
I'll save you, Pooh Bear!
the thrills, and the fun with this incredible collection full of new songs
Who keeps showing me the beauty in each new day.
and unexpected surprises.
Just what I always wanted.
It's storytelling at its most magical.
Stupendous!
Join Pooh and all his pals from the 100-Acre Wood
How wonderful!
for the tales your whole family will treasure.
A dream come true!
Bring home the first 2 volumes of the magical world of Winnie the Pooh. It's playtime with Pooh and a great day of discovery. Coming soon to Disney DVD and video. Premiering only on Disney DVD and video. Straight from the 100-Acre Wood, 2 new videos that let you learn with your favorite characters. Disney's Winnie the Pooh ABCs and Winnie the Pooh 1-2-3s. Take an imaginative journey
Come on, bounce this way!
as Winnie the Pooh and his pals get your child excited about learning letters
Now that's T for Tigger!
and numbers.
You can help me count 10 honeypots.
Counting is fun.
Your child will love to learn.
Hooray!
With Disney's Winnie the Pooh ABCs and Winnie the Pooh 1-2-3s coming soon. Premiering on Disney DVD and video. Winnie the Pooh ABCs and 1-2-3s. Learning that lasts a lifetime.
Now available to own on video and DVD.
For the first time ever on Disney DVD and video, share every day with your favorite Disney princesses.
Isn't it fantastic?
Introducing Disney's Princess Collection. 3 new DVDs where dreams begin and the fantasy never ends.
It's all so magical.
First, you're cordially invited to Disney Princess Party, where happily ever afters happen with play-along games and fun activities. Plan the perfect party for your little princess.
That was fun.
Then, a magical realm rich in imagination awaits in Disney Princess Stories, a journey of adventure and fun featuring all new stories from Cinderella and Belle.
Bravo! That was wonderful!
Next, sound the trumpets and prepare for the ultimate celebration of magic, music, and dreams come true in Disney's Princess Sing-Along Songs, Once Upon a Dream. Plus, for the first time ever, the princesses are all together to sing an all-new song.
If you can dream the wish we're making on a star is coming true.
Disney's Princess Collection. Unlock imaginations and inspire dreams.
I'm so happy.
Now on Disney DVD and video.
And now, our feature program.
directly from the Big Bear. Want some fun?
Here's where.
Just for you.
All is new in the House of Blue. Lots of room at our house.
Catch the moon at our house.
Kitchen's here. Bathroom's there.
Attic full of stuff here.
Pillows full of fluff here. Just for you in the House of Blue. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the Big Blue House. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the Big Blue House.